guys.
Hi.
Okay, let's start our video.
Sorry if we're too long to not.
Yeah, because we didn't make videos in
Very
2
long.
days. 2 days, right?
Maybe. And Jarrell and his little sister are stealers.
Yeah, they are stealers. Because our item there was literally got steal by her
His
little sister.
His little sister.
Yeah.
And we can show you guys.
Yeah, but first, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe now.
This is apparently
Guys,
item.
guys, look at the fucking
Apparently, I almost lost
Katana.
my knife. But it still made it through the night. What that kind of friends?
the fuck.
It's good.
Okay, so
This is our guns for Special Force. As you can see, we're addicted to a little of Special Force. And I'm
like and subscribe
like and subscribe.
and like there, like.
This is our first video. This is our first channel now because we haven't done it in days.
Now let's sing. What about sing something? What about we say? I have a story to tell para mangling tabate patunogin na.
Let's do it in the next video. So
No,
bye
we're
guys.
No, it's not enough.
Oh, then.
So I'm gonna sing it. I have a story to tell parang pampleta pater patunogin na ang wet randwa na tayo pre pa sabi ni Alfred
You
Delin
don't even know it.
Ano?
You don't even know the lyrics.
Yeah.
You need to sing it right, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna sing it right.
You're not singing it right. But
Peace.
you're singing a little right, but
Bruh.
why is this kind of soft, bro?
I have a
It's
story
easy.
to tell parang pamplip tapate
Ah,
patunogin na ang bell randwa na tayo pre pat sabi ni Alfred Delin wala nang kamatayan.
He still needs to practice.
Your voice is como Moreno.
Mayor pinaplatter, puro na lang away. Pati kami ay nadadamay. Pag di nyo yan tinigilan. Wala na! Wala na.
Peace. What the fuck? Infinite.
Let's go!
Hey.